My name is Philip Johnson. I'm a CNC machinist. My day-to-day work is I set up the brothers and I set up the lathes in cell one. And I'm the lead guy in cell one as well. That means that I have to take care of everybody else. I make sure that everybody's running the machines they're supposed to be running, and we go through the deficit reports and make sure that everything's as par as what we should be running, things like that. I got started in CNC because my dad was actually a machinist at US Steel for 38 years. So I wanted to follow his lead, but then he was doing the manual machining. Really wasn't much of a manual machinist as much as I like the CNC. To me, it was more entertaining. I've learned a lot here in 25 years by watching other people and learning from their mistakes and learning from my own mistakes. To me, it's not just sitting there pushing a button. It's actually taking a piece of material, a piece of stock, and actually creating something out of it. It's, somebody created this, and there's imagination and a print and everything went together on a CNC. To me, that's unique. What that means to me is TFT Proud is, I take a lot of pride in what I do. Like, I enjoy making things that's saving people's lives and protecting property and things like that. I mean, that's one reason I actually got into it. And I was a volunteer fireman for a little while as well. So I got to see the real aspect of everything for a little while. And it just made me dig in that much more and really appreciate what we do here. I just think we put a lot of pride and a lot of time in what we do here to make sure that we do save people's lives. And, I mean, that's the worst thing, is have something malfunction because somebody was careless and didn't take that extra step. But here at Task Force, I think we take pride in that. I think we all do a really good job.